De-risk decision-making with Witness predictive simulation software. Will a new facility design meet targets? Will investments in technology deliver the projected ROI? Are you equipped to manage supply chain disruptions? Instinct and static spreadsheets can only take you so far with complex questions like these. With Witness predictive simulation software, you can create virtual models of facilities and operations so you can experiment with what-if scenarios and validate decisions. Witness is user-friendly, flexible, and powerful. The drag-and-drop interface makes it easy to create models, which incorporate a range of data by linking to your external tools. As you run models, dynamic charts display key performance indicators, showing how different scenarios lead to different results. Choose how to present your findings for maximum stakeholder impact, from data visualizations to a full 3D experience. You can unlock the power of predictive simulation with Witness Experimenter, which optimizes scenario testing to help you find the right solution quickly. De-risk decision-making, solve complex problems, improve performance, and maximize ROI with Witness. Request a demo and see how Witness can help you make more confident decisions.